Hello everyone, how you guys doing this wonderful day? Today, let's talk about some Chiliz, guys. This cryptocurrency is doing amazing compared to what's happening out there today. Now, here's Chiliz on the weekly, guys. Now, Chiliz has been doing exceptionally well. So if you have not gotten to this crypto or have not seen what's happening with this crypto, definitely want to check this stuff out, because even for me, I don't look at every crypto out there. It takes a lot of time. But for this one has been doing really good. It has, in the last few months since July, it has ran up since basically 10 cents, now up to 24 cents it's about. Now, has this bull run over? I don't think so. Now, let's see where some targets, where it should be going to. Alright. So, the first price target, should it make a close in this area? I think so. Now, what I mean by close is that it should start a candle wherever it's currently priced at right now, $2.23, 24 cents basically. Make a close up here and see if it make a big push down. I haven't seen the big push down yet, so I think that it still has enough momentum to head up higher, possibly hitting this high up here. So we got two possible highs. One I think is an easier hit for it to close in versus the secondary one. But I think that the trend is not over yet. So if you're looking at buying to Chiliz, it's a good possibility. I mean, I'm not telling you what to do. I'm telling you what I'm doing. And for me, I think that this is pretty much a good buy. Now, it might hit into here, cause a red candle to go down, a good pullback, and then possibly more buyers will enter the market, and then boom, we might see a hit up there. We might make a pattern that looks like this. Well, every trend, there is always a pullback, and pullbacks, people try to short it, they kind of just speculate with it. I like the overall trend, and then this may possibly be a good buying point. So for me, I was going to enter, guys. if I have to enter in this trade, I'll be looking at two positions, buying right here with like basically a split position, and having a target profit just right at this high right here, or this close right here. So we're talking about 28 cents. And then locking in that trade secondarily if it hits that target profit. And if it goes down, knocks me out of my trade, that's fine. I'll wait for 1 week or 2 weeks for the red candle to finish, 2 red candles finish, whatever. Wait for the green candle, the next green candle, then look at buying again to catch that trend, possibly up to the higher price of the 32 cents price level. Now, that's how I would approach this, guys. And if you're looking at doing cash positions, I don't really like cash positions that much, but, maybe here and there. Possibly entering and just basically like dollar cost averaging once a week, twice a week, or once every other week, whatever the plan is to be. Create that plan, basically slowly step it in, and then catch this entire area. So if it hits the 32 cents, I can take off a lot on profits and not worry about, being stopped out. But there's two different approaches to this, or a few other approaches that can be done. That's my approach to it, guys. Just tell me what you guys' thoughts are, but let's get into some other details about Chiliz. Now, Chiliz is, ticker CHZ, currently priced at 24 cents, at $1.4 billion market cap. So what is it, guys? Chiliz is the leading digital currency for sports and entertainment by for Meta-based fintech provider. It operates the blockchain-based sports entertainment platform. So if you want to get into cryptocurrency with sports and entertainment, check it out, guys. For me, I prefer trading cryptos more than, looking at long-term with that, with cash positions. But it's just my thoughts about it. Just tell me what your guys' thoughts about it. But here's their main website, guys. Chiliz.com. Check it out, guys. If you want to learn more about cryptocurrency, learn more about this cryptocurrency. Also, if you guys check out the Twitter page, 450,000 followers, a lot of people following. Check out some news like this. Oh, let's see. It's coming to a new platform. That's pretty awesome. So check that out, guys. Check out their streams. Maybe they're talking about something they can definitely get more buyers in. Outside that, guys, check out our website, AndreJMcClellan.com. Learn more about trading, learn more about finance, learn more about economy, and you can make your trading systems even better. So let me know, guys, what you guys think about this video, but please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.